So what you know? More time you want maybe the woman or there somewhere and relax and go and listen to some YouTube music or go and play, or you know that little prior thing yeah, where you know say you don't want your phone to go and play probably while it depends on the charge overnight. And nobody not to trouble your phone. But sadly, you know say that now go happen. You see me? Somebody are go try wait till you're asleep, then they want to jump in on your phone. But luckily we have a little feature here now where we can use and mitigate against that. So your phone cannot play the whole night and nobody can trouble it. This is your pin window feature. The feature you know like when time you play YouTube or you listen to your YouTube or you know, just about anything, and you don't want nobody getting on your phone or, you know, some meddling people. And or somebody beg you a call or something. And you say, all right, go and use a phone here. Then you know, say you have to go just spin the window, give them, because they have to go other places in your phone where you never really bargain for. You know, we have only other security features still where you can use up, but that one here is a little one where it just right out the front here, so you can just go and use it. You see me I say? Some more time like you listen to some music in all your vehicle. You get what I say? And you just want one song you go and play. You know, worse if the song bad. You see me I say? This is how you do. And this is upon your Samsung phone by the way. You know? And you just go in your recent app and you see that little something here, it say pin this app. You just pin this app. You see once you pin this app, then can't come out of it. See it nothing then can do. Can't come out of it. See it? The app lock. I hit that. So you what now? Alright, so watch you now. In order to get this feature here, you do this. Watch it now. You remember the two fingers something I want to show now? Draw down on your phone screen like this. And then you have see settings there so. See? Then you have a scroll down. You see biometrics and security. You click on that. You scroll down again. See that's something I was say other security feature, other security settings, sorry. See the other security settings, click on that. And you go down and you can turn on you. In most devices, it have a turn off, so you have to turn it on. Or the next thing where you can do again, is just type in this up and you see it come up and it take you straight there. Hit that. Good? Yeah man. So you are next thing what this thing are good for again? YouTube. Some more time, depends on where you're there. You might want your phone and go and play some little thing to get the blessing. And the Lord, you know, He is. You see what I say? So, let's say you play some prayer before sleep. Me love go sleep with that. You see what I say? So you know what I say? Yeah, so once you do that, you know so when you're asleep nobody can really go into your phone because it pin. See it there. So as we say, anything from this so. So you know say anything from this so. Yeah man.
Just a life.
Yeah man.
Looks so alive,
let me know you go down in the comment now.
Steady.
Tell me what I want.
Just a life.
Turn back to me. Is that what I say? Yeah man.
Just a life.